Hello viewers, let's talk about making short videos for YouTube Shorts. Some videos are very difficult in editing due to different frames, format and recording sources. So first we will edit easy video for your guidance and later on we will edit difficult videos. So for better understanding, don't skip and watch till end. So now let's open the free video editing software called OpenShot, and different format of videos we will bring to our timeline. So click the plus sign and then browse, and you will shortly see that 7 type of different videos are in front of you. Let me check the first video. Right click, transform, and note these 8 dots in blue color. So let's go and change the format from horizontal video to a vertical video. So let's click it, and now you will see that it will automatically fix in the area. So we need not to worry about its fixing. Let's drag the length or height and note the scale X and scale Y. It increase and decrease. So we will use this at end when the difficult videos comes in front of us. So this was a video which was far easier. Now let's go and bring this video which is horizontal for changing into a vertical. So let's go once again and right click and select transform or control R. Also note this minus sign, we will use it later. Now drag it above to create space, and simply we will click it and drag it. When the arrow becomes double line, you can increase or decrease the size or length or height of a video. So it's also falls in one of the easy video under editing. Now let's bring another video or the third video, and you will shortly see that it seems a vertical video, but let's go and change the choose profile, click on it. And when you click it, the video become very small. So let me choose vertical video, click close and right click, select transform or control press R. The video is very small, so when we drag it, you can see the black space at the top, also at the end, but the width can be adjusted. So we will now see a method, an easy method through which we can handle it properly or to cover the entire screen. So undo the changes. Now note the minus sign, drag it upward. Now you have enough space downward, so drag it down. Now the entire area is covered in length and its width, but the upcoming videos are very difficult, so you must be in touch. Now let's see. Now your shot is exactly correct in height and width. It looks beautiful. Now let me bring the first difficult video. So control plus R or right click, transform, and you can see only just 2 blue texts available on the video. So in case if I drag it when the arrow become double-ended, I can only adjust the height but not the width. So it won't cover the entire screen perfectly. So let's go and change this on merit. Change the scale X and scale Y. So let me double click scale X and feed 1.6. Still there are top and end have black areas. So 1.8, and now you can see the scale X clearly and the entire screen in height is correct. Now let me change the scale Y. So let me feed 1.7, and you can see left right have dark lines. So we will increase it from 1.7 to 1.8, and the area is perfectly covered. Now for example, let me change it to 4. Now the area is split and the picture is blurred, so don't do it. 1.8 in scale X and 1.8 in scale Y is perfect, but different videos have different scales. Now let's bring the last video, which is the most tricky. So click on the video, Ctrl plus R, and you see that only 2 blue text available. Now if I change it, neither length nor width of the video would be in accordance to the required area. So undo it. Go to Scale X and feed 1.8. It's exactly cover the screen. Scale Y, once again 1.9, a little larger, but seems good because of the cat is visibly clearly. Now let's go and click this red spot to export the video. Give it a name and let's go and export the video. Now the video is under process and you will shortly see that it would be one of the most clear and beautiful vertical YouTube short video. Now let's go and click the video. So it have exactly the required length and width, and the cat is climbing on steel net perfectly. So this is one of the best way to edit a vertical video on Mirror. I hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe.